higher. Call me disturbed or call me crazy. All things aside, I don't mind if you call me baby. 'Cause baby, I'll keep any pack.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another client transformation video for you guys, so please keep on watching. Starting off with the hair we're using today is from wigonly.com. They sent me this gorgeous wig right here. The wig came with this wig cap. So right here I'm just showing you guys what the wig looks like, just running my hands through it to show you guys how soft it is and how there's no shedding. And you can see the frontal, it was pre-plucked. Like the plucking was beautiful, like I didn't even need to touch it at all. So right now I'm showing you, it has 3 combs on the inside. It's actually a full lace front wig, like the whole hair is lace. I don't know if you guys understand what I mean. So right now I'm just putting her on my dummy head, and I'm just going in with some leave-in conditioner to apply onto the wig before I begin curling it. So right now I'm just sectioning it. You guys can see what I'm saying about the hair being a full lace wig. So I just took the top part of the wig, put it up. You guys already know the drill, how I curl my hair. Took a little section. Like guys, when you're curling hair, patience, like patience, go bit by bit. So you can see the little portion I took right now that I'm curling. I love this hair curler, it's so fast, like you're done. Like I really like it. As you can see, the thing gets hot. Like I really need to get gloves for curling hair, because as you guys can see, I'm using my bonnet to hold the hair so it doesn't burn my fingers. So I pretty much just curl it, then I go in with a bobby pin and pin it. So that's what I did for the whole hair. So you can see right now I'm done curling the whole hair. I'm just going into my hairspray now. This is the usual one I use from Taft. I just spray it onto the hair, set the hair aside. Like I did this a day before I filmed the video. So right now I'm just cutting off the excess lace. Guys, take your time when you're doing this. So I just cut off the excess lace and left it till the next day. Right now the transformation is about to begin. So I just took the wig cap that came with the wig, put it on Hannah's head. Guys, you see how gorgeous Hannah is. I'm going to leave all our details, Instagram handle and everything in the description box down below. I know you guys are always having me that I forget to do that. I forget, guys. This thing is not easy. I'm telling you guys, I'm sorry, but this time around I'm going to make sure I put everything. So I just put the wig cap on her, put the wig on. You guys can see how I cut it very carefully, so it's not even showing excess lace too much. So right now I'm just putting the got to be spray gel, and then I went in with a scarf. Now it's time for makeup. I'm starting off by priming her face using the Makeup Forever Step 1 face primer. Then I went to the ZARON Healthy Glow foundation. This is a Nigerian made foundation. So guys, I'm applying it first with a foundation brush. Then I went into a beauty blender. This one is from GLEAM on Instagram, also a Nigerian brand. Nigerians are killing it, guys. So I'm pretty much just dabbing this foundation in. So you guys see how it's covering her spots. Like I didn't need to color correct or anything. So this is what it's looking like with the foundation on. Next, for highlighting, I'm using Early Girl concealer in the shade Pure Beige. Hopefully you guys can hear what I'm saying, because I get a lot of comments that you guys don't understand my accent, and I don't understand, but I'm trying to use my words very well. For contour, I'm using the Black Opal Stick Foundation in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm applying this using the Real Techniques contour brush. Then to blend her nose contour, I'm using a micro or a mini beauty blender. I don't know what you guys, anyone that you prefer to call it. I'm using this to blend the highlight first. Then I went in with the same Black Opal foundation for her nose contour. I went back into the same beauty blender I used to apply her foundation, and now I'm just blending. Then I did a little bit of reverse contour using the leftover, what's it called, concealer on the beauty blender. Then I blended them. So this is what it looks like when I'm done blending. Then for setting a highlight, I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake setting powder in the shade KUNAFA. Guys, I know there's a lot of controversy. I didn't forget this setting powder right here is beautiful. Like, it gives this airbrushed effect that is so beautiful. So I use the same powder to set our whole face. Guys, not like I'm supporting Huda Beauty. I don't support it at all. And it's crazy that she never even said anything. Like, she's just been mute about the whole thing. It's sad though, but the powder is nice. Like, you can't even deny that. So going into her brows, I started off using the head guy and Esther brow pomade in the shade Toffee, and now I'm filling it in using the YANGABEAUTY BROWLUTION pen. So everything's going to be in the description box down below. Then to highlight the brows, I'm using the black OPAL concealer in the shade Rich Caramel. Hope you guys heard that. So yeah, that's what I used to highlight her brows. Then I went into the pure beige concealer, used the micro beauty blender and applied this all over eyelids, after which I set it with the same Huda Beauty setting powder. For brow gel, I went into the MAC brow set in the shade Girl Boy. You guys see how this thing just transformed this brow? Like, can you guys see? Oh, this thing is life. Moving on to eyeshadow, I started off using the JUVIA'S ZULU palette, and I started with this yellow shade right here as her transition color. Going back into that same palette, I went into this orange shade to apply using the same blending brush. Oh my god, I can't talk. It's like 7 a.m. in the morning, guys. I have to do this before I go to work and put this video up for you guys. It's not easy being a YouTuber and also doing a full-time job. I'm gonna stop rambling. So I use the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk as my primer. I am just applying this all over eyelids. Then I went into this red color from the House of Tara Queen Amina palette. I tried a bunch of colors initially, but they were not giving me the shade of red that I wanted. So I went into this palette and I got the shade I wanted. So I'm just blending in and making sure there's no harsh line. There's nothing on the brush. Then at this point, I went back into that yellow shade I used earlier and blended it further. So now I'm applying mascara, and this is the Maybelline mascara in Colossal. I don't know, like, things like mascara, this one works for me, so why do I need to go and find another one? That's just how I am. I'm sorry, I don't know. So right now I'm applying lashes, and the lashes I'm using is from ALLUREBYCHLOE, another Nigerian brand that is popping right now. For face powder, I used the MILANI powder in the shade medium to dust off the highlighted areas. To set her contour, I went into this IMAN powder, and I'm using this by MO brush. These brushes are so nice. Like, I have a couple of their brushes and they're so nice. Again, another Nigerian brand. Then I went into the Milani powder in the shade Warm, and I used this for her nose. You know, you don't want your nose contour to be harsh. Like, you see, this one is lighter than the one I used earlier. Going into blush, I'm using this gorgeous blush from Mod Cosmetics. I usually don't like blush, but this one right here, I love it. Then to set her face, I went into the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This is the new one, the matte one. I used this to set her face. Start off her glow, I went into the GLEAM Melanie Mills. It's a liquid illuminator, so I'm applying this using the same beauty blender I used earlier. I'm just blending this in, blend. After which I went into the YANGABEAUTY Glow highlighter, loose highlighter. This one is in the shade O'Shea.
Burned me once or twice, I expect them.
I used the same highlighter to apply in a tear duct area. So right now I'm using the Inglo number 77 gel liner and a really tiny angle precise brush to do an extended wing liner down her tear duct. Like, this thing looks so gorgeous on her because you guys know it doesn't suit all eye shapes. Like my eye, for one, if I try this thing, I look really funny. So I went ahead to do a wing liner. So wing liner at the tip and wing liner in the beginning of her eye. Then I went into the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered eyeshadow palette. That's a mouthful. And I started off with that shade on her bottom lash line. Then later on I went into this red pinky shade. Then now I applied mascara. Going into her lips, I used the Bobbi Brown chocolate lip liner. It's a light brown lip liner. After which I went into the Huda Beauty Demi Matte in the shade Shiro. So yeah guys, that's it for the makeup. So let's finish up with this hair. I just took out the bobby pins, took a hairbrush, and I'm just brushing through it. This hair is beautiful and it came with this exact color. This is the color it came in. I'm going to leave all the details of the hair in my description box down below. The hair is beautiful. You guys can see for yourself. No need to talk plenty. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy my client transformation videos. Like, I feel like you guys enjoy it more than my own videos, but it's good. It's all good. I'll give you guys what you want. I love you guys. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please like this video. Please comment. Help a sister. It's not easy. Please. Thank you guys so much. I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.